Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been a delicious option in culinary practices for centuries. But beyond its culinary use, turmeric also has powerful health benefits. The primary active compound in turmeric is curcumin, which has powerful medicinal properties. Curcumin possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties. Here we will discuss the magic of turmeric tea, its benefits, and how to make turmeric tea. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the main bioactive compound in turmeric, is known for its ability to combat inflammation. Drinking turmeric tea may help ease joint pain, muscle soreness, and other inflammatory conditions. Boosts immune system. The anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties of turmeric make it an excellent immunity booster. Consuming turmeric tea regularly can help strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient against infections, colds, and flu. Aids in digestion. Turmeric tea is known to stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion and helps break down fats more efficiently. Drinking turmeric tea before or after meals can also help soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and alleviate symptoms of indigestion. Enhances skin health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can do wonders for your skin and can help fight acne and reduce redness. The antioxidants in turmeric help combat signs of aging, keeping your skin looking youthful. Supports heart health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric can help improve blood circulation, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of blood clots. This can lead to better cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Natural mood booster. Curcumin has been shown to influence neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in mood regulation. Drinking turmeric tea may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Promotes better sleep. The combination of turmeric with ingredients like ginger, cinnamon, and warm milk can have a calming effect, helping you relax and help promote a better night's sleep. Detoxifies the liver. Turmeric tea supports liver detoxification by stimulating the production of enzymes that flush out toxins. This can help reduce liver damage and improve overall liver function. Supports weight loss. Drinking turmeric tea can assist in weight management by enhancing metabolism and promoting fat burning. It can also help reduce the formation of adipose tissue, which contributes to weight gain. Anti-cancer potential. Curcumin is also known for its anti-cancer properties. It can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, and may also aid in cancer prevention. Studies show turmeric's role in fighting cancers like breast, colon, and prostate cancer. How to make turmeric tea. 1. Take a cup of water in a pot and bring the water to a boil. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, or a small piece of fresh turmeric root. Grated, and reduce the heat. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. 3. Add black pepper and stir well, as it enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. 4. Strain the tea into a cup. 5. Add honey, cinnamon, or lemon if desired, and enjoy it warm. Golden milk variation. Golden milk, or turmeric latte, is a creamy variation of turmeric tea made with milk, or a dairy-free alternative like coconut or almond milk. To make golden milk, simply replace the water in the recipe above with milk and follow the same steps. The magic of turmeric tea lies in its versatility and wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity and reducing inflammation to promoting heart health and aiding digestion, this golden beverage can be a powerful addition to your daily diet. Start incorporating turmeric tea into your diet and experience the wonders of this ancient herbal tonic.